success has been attributed to the fact that we solve problems for people. They have problems that ordinary materials don't solve, and we either have the materials or we've developed them to solve that problem.
Dr. Rothberg's invention changed how tile and stone could be installed, creating a thin bed mortar that was lighter, stronger, and far more resilient. His innovation is where LATICRETE began and where it continues to lead into the future.
We innovate and people copy us. Competitors don't copy things that don't work. They attempt to copy success.
What we're really proud of at LATICRETE and that the world kind of recognizes us for is the disruptive innovation.
The bigger part is to continually analyze where are the pain points of our customers and how can LATICRETE help resolve those pain points with service or with product. And it's been a real winning combination for sure.
Set the standard means being a leader in our market, in our industry, figuring out what that needs and delivering against it and not waiting for our competition to do that.
We lead and others follow. Greatest compliment on earth.
Look to LATICRETE to continue to set the standard of innovation by solving real-world problems with proven installation solutions used throughout the world.
The construction industry is in a revolution path in many aspects, which will trigger significant innovations.
Setting the standard also means building responsibly for people and our planet, a core value of LATICRETE since the very beginning.
Our products are very safe. Silica dust is a health concern for construction workers. Eliminated that from a lot of products that used to contain it.
One of the best things you can do for the environment is to consume less. So we're continually looking to have our products be more physically capable.
LATICRETE's approach to sustainability is rooted in performance. Better products designed to install easier, reduce waste, and last longer.
Sustainability. It's at the heart and soul of what we do.
It's a collective undertaking, and it's a very exciting journey.
As architecture, technology, and construction methods evolve, so do the demands placed on tile and stone installations.
When you go back 50, 60 years, there were masterpieces. There was architectural wonders that came out of the US, and LATICRETE was part of it.
Without our mortars, tile facades in certain parts of the world would simply not be possible.
LATICRETE sets the standard of design freedom, supporting innovative and imaginative spaces, with systems engineered to look and perform for life under the most demanding environments.
Architects actually come to us and say, you know what, I have a challenging installation, can you help me?
We make an architect's dream possible.
Trust isn't claimed, it's earned, project upon project, year after year.
We're trying to develop and keep relationships and customers for life.
We are willing to literally travel to the ends of the world in order to help them be successful.
From industry-first warranties to global certifications, LATICRETE builds trust through expert technical support, responsive customer service, and by standing behind every system and every standard it sets.
We stand by our products, but we also stand by our partners that install them. It's very important to us, and we find that helps build trust.
Trust is built on experience, and for 70 years we have delivered on our promises.
Whether working with LATICRETE products or people, the standard is an experience that's easy, safe, efficient, and rewarding.
Everything from ergonomics to how it's packaged. Is it easy to use? Is it dust-free? We care about our core user base, our installers.
And we're training people not only on how to use our product, we're training them how to do the job safely.
A bag of adhesive used to weigh 50 pounds. Now we easily can make materials that weigh 25 pounds or even less. That's a big thing.
By listening to installers and designing solutions around real job site conditions, LATICRETE continues to raise the standard for how work gets done.
It's very important to listen. It's very important to listen to what the customer is saying, what they are asking. You really can hear a lot about their problems and their needs just by listening.
Even as LATICRETE has grown to more than 2,500 employees in over 100 countries across 6 continents, one thing has never changed. The company's tradition of treating LATICRETE customers, partners, and employees as members of the LATICRETE family.
The tile contractor is part of our family. The distributor is part of our family. Everything we do is family-oriented.
That's the advantage of the family business. It creates a different style of relationship with the customers and with the employees.
LATICRETE remains family-owned because relationships matter, and because standards are upheld by people who truly care.
We're going to stay as a private, family-owned business. It's part of our commitment to our customers, part of our commitment to our employees, and to the communities.
We have set the highest standards in the industry for our products.
We continue to invest in developing more leaders that will build LATICRETE of the future, including the third generation, who are the leadership of the LATICRETE in the future.
We've spent 70 years building a culture, and cultures continue long after founders retire.
I don't think you end up as a company that's been around for 70 years, kind of thinking short term, whether it's about the company itself, the employees, or the environment.
The future of construction is technical, it's innovative, and we are on that path.
For 70 years, LATICRETE has helped to improve the world's built environment and the lives of those who build it. And just as we've done from the beginning, we'll continue to achieve this mission, not by following standards, but by setting them.